Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of easy wolf cut hairstyles for girls. The wolf cut is a trendy and versatile haircut that blends both bold and gentle elements. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to achieve this fashionable and fun look. Whether you're a wolf cut enthusiast or new to this style, we've got you covered. Let's get started on the path to fabulous hair transformation. Before we dive into creating your wolf cut hairstyle, it's essential to prepare your hair. Start with clean, dry hair and gather the necessary tools, such as hair shears, a comb, and hair clips. It's crucial to have a clear vision of your desired wolf cut style, whether you want a subtle or dramatic transformation. Divide your hair into sections to make the cutting process more manageable. Begin by parting your hair down the middle into 2 equal sections. Secure each section with clips to keep them separate while you work on one side. The wolf cut typically features an undercut, which adds an edgy element to the style. Use your shears to carefully cut the hair on one side of the nape of your neck, creating a short, textured look. This undercut will serve as a foundation for the overall wolf cut. To achieve the characteristic messy and layered look of the wolf cut, it's essential to add texture. Use thinning shears to lightly texturize the hair on both sides. This step helps to create the desired, effortless, and natural appearance. Finally, frame your face by cutting the front sections of your hair to your preferred length. The beauty of the wolf cut is that it allows for personalization. You can choose a length that suits your style and facial features. Finish with styling products to create volume and texture for that ultimate effortlessly cool look. The wolf cut is a trendy and versatile style that can suit girls of all ages. By following our step-by-step tutorial, you can achieve this fashionable and effortless look right at home. Embrace the wolf cut and express your unique style with confidence. Stay tuned for more hair inspiration on our channel. In this tutorial, we've walked you through the process of achieving an easy wolf cut hairstyle. Whether you're a seasoned hair enthusiast or a beginner, you can confidently embrace this trendy style. Remember, your hair is your canvas for self-expression, so feel free to adapt the wolf cut to suit your unique personality and preferences. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting hair tutorials and trends. Wolf cut your way to a stunning new look.